In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. It doesn't have the typical foot pedal parking brake. It's got an electronic parking brake located right below the shifter here. There's a little P to set the parking brake. I'm just going to pull on that. You'll notice a little red light kicks on there telling us that the parking brake is on. It'll also have it says park right there on the center of the display cluster there. And then to turn off the parking brake, I'm going to press down on the brake. At the same time, I push down on the little P here. You'll hear a noise, you'll feel a little bit of pressure on your foot, and now the parking brake has been turned off. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.